I'm Wiggle Warrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. Look what I did. Yes, but it's small. It was my birthday last week on December the 9th, and I wanted my free birthday gift. So, of course, to get that when shopping online, you have to spend at least $25. So, is it a free birthday gift? I'm going to say no. But I did not go ham this year. In fact, I want to say I only bought one item, maybe two, because at this point I can't remember. But I do know for certain one item that was like $25, $26, so it counted. So I'm fairly certain that's all I got. Plus my free item and my freebies. So if you're curious to see what I treated myself to, and it's not exciting, it's a refill or restock. But I'd love if you'd stick around. And if you're new, welcome. Would love if you would subscribe and, click the bell icon and the thumbs up. Do all the YouTube-y things, because I'm telling you, as a small creator, hitting something as simple as just the thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, so let's dive in and get rid of... Yeah, I bought more than one product, but let's see how they did with my freebies. And I have a feeling, no. I always try to go for a perfume. I forget what I got in editing. I'll put something on screen. I'm fairly certain I didn't pick the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser, no, nor the Dermalogica Daily Milkfoliant. Wait, Milkfoliant. What is this? Writing's too small. Is it maybe like a milk toner / exfoliant? No. Well, maybe. It's not liquidy, even though it's in a foil pack. It feels like it's going to be a towelette. Okay. My birthday haul is already disappointing. Why can't I get my freebies? Okay, speaking of freebies, let's take a look at what I selected. And my selection this year was either this or I forget. It was only one other choice. Like hair care products, I want to say, or skin, I forget. It was something where you got like 3 or 4 little minis, but it was products that I don't use. Therefore, I want to say it was hair care or skincare, that I just have so much skincare. Anyways, what up with that? Let me know. Is that a December birthday thing where we just kind of get, well, this is what's left. Everyone who's in January or February, they get to choose from 3 to 4 really cool items. Or did you only get 2 items? All right, enough rambling. I forgot to tell you what this is. So this is from Makeup by Mario, and it's the happy birthday, well, obviously, I almost read something in French. It's basically, I don't know what they're calling it, but it has a lip liner and what I assume is a lipstick. Oh, even better. I'm not a big lipstick person, but this is a, did they even say? One of those kind of / lip balm with pigment. Ultra Suede Sculpting Lip Pencil in the shade Rich Mauve, and a Moisture Glow Plumping Lip Serum in the shade Rosewood Glow. Lip serum. It's a balm stick. Ooh, and it says the word plumping. I hope it doesn't hurt. Oh, that is reminding me the consistency. I went to swipe it and it's quite soft and creamy. It's reminding me of the ones from YSL, which are quite kind of squishy. Oh, also the ones from Tarte. That is a beautiful color. Since I wasted half of that little itty bitty baby, I'm gonna put it on my lips here. And yes, I am already wearing lip product, but this is how I always apply lip products. One right on top of the other, so okay. Yeah. very similar to the Tarte and the YSL as far as it being super, super squishy, if that makes sense. That's squishy. It's very soft, so you gotta be careful because any amount of pressure stronger than what like a butterfly could do landing on your hand, you're gonna get half that tube on your lips. Okay, I was about to say I don't feel any plumping. I'm starting to feel a little something, but I am a wuss. So when I say this is a 0.5 out of 10, that's telling you something. If you love plumping products, you're going to say that this has 0. It has 0.5. Okay, let's swatch the lip pencil. Okay, they match as expected. Now, this is a really pretty shade. For me, this is a dark shade. It's not dark, but this is about as dark as I will wear a lip product. So the lip liner is slightly darker than the lip shade, which I would expect, but they go together beautifully. I am starting to feel the lip, what do they call this? Not a lip balm, a lip serum. I don't know that that's a serum or how I describe a serum, but it's increased in intensity. It's gone from a 0.5 to a 0.75. Yes, you heard me right. It's still barely there. But I think these shades are beautiful. All right, the surprise item, which I should know myself by now. It should never be a surprise that when I do a haul and think I got one item that there's more than one. And that I am trying to find a gel eyeliner that stays on my top waterline and doesn't transfer down. Now what I'm hoping, no, the packaging is different. I've tried one from Urban Decay that was the 24x7 Glide something. And this one is the Urban Decay. Oh, okay. I saw the 24x7. I thought, oh no, did I duplicate purchase again? No, apparently this is the 24x7 Waterline. Okay, so let's toss her on and hope and pray that this is the one that doesn't transfer down. I strongly, I'm gonna sound like a skeptic. None of them work. The ones people rave about don't work on me. Okay, so far, after 10 seconds, we're looking good. I logged off and totally forgot to share the one main product I ordered that I actually remembered. And that is this bad boy here from the Sephora collection. This is the Daily Brush Cleanser Spray. And it's the big Mama Jamma. I have this little guy, which is almost emptied. So I thought it's time for a refill. And during Black Friday, the Sephora collection brand was on sale for 30%. That is the best time to pick it up. That was it. Hopefully this is a very short video. I tend to ramble on when, there's not a lot to share. But I am super curious. Was this available on your birthday? And if so, did you pick it? If you didn't pick it, did you have more than one other option? Or is December the cursed month to have a birthday in? You're super close to Christmas. You often got a happy birthday / Merry Christmas gift as a child, which was, disappointing. All the good sales are at the end of November, not in the month of December. So you do a Black Friday haul and then you got to do another one to get your birthday discount. First world problems, right? All right, I'm going to end it there or else can you tell I'm filming midweek? I always get extra goofy when I don't film on the weekend. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you can do me a big favor, clicking on the thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow, as does swiping the hype button if you happen to be watching on your phone. All right, thanks everyone.